Okay, so I just made a video of this fan, but I'm doing it again because turned off the camera by accident. So here it is again, 52-inch. The 52-inch Brushnickel Hampton by Sutherland. Like I just said, it does wobble a bit. It wobbles and hums a bit. So, and it doesn't blow that much air. So you need to clean it pretty soon. Yeah, so I don't know what happened to this fan, but I mean, this thing still needs work. It always did, but it's filthy. Filthy dusty. There's the down rod. The Brushnickel down rod on it. And so I keep going. So and like it has and see like the screws there. I put the oil reservoir. So there's the canopy. It's got I believe it's got a skeleton motor. The housing is still cast iron. It's pretty decent, honestly, but it's not great. And let's see a torque go. Like the torque goes the other way. 5 blades. I believe it's in antique brass or something. This fan came from Home Depot. I mean, you didn't purchase it. It was purchased by the people who lived there before. Maybe even the people who lived there before the people who lived here before. So, keep going. So, I mean, it's a pretty good fan. I mean, it cools you down, but it still needs loads of work. And this is, and it has two pull chains. They're identical. It has the oval knobs. It's the Hampton Bay knobs. The Hampton Bay pulls, the metal kind. It's very noisy. Makes a lot of noise. Oh, so that's pretty much it for this 48-inch Brushnickel Hampton-based Sutherland ceiling fan. Please like, favorite, share, comment, and subscribe. More videos to come. 5K Farmington, over and out.